All right guys, so rail systems for your chainsaw sawmill. Most of the videos you'll see online, people are going to screw a board on either end of the log, and then your ladder is going to rest upon that. What I found is it is just not stable, and it'll twist back and forth, and you have to have some sort of support in the middle as well. And to get it level, it's just a pain in the rear end. So what I've done is I've created these things here. They attach to the ladder, to your log, and then they have an adjustment on either side of the screw there. And it's very simple to get it perfectly level. I've got 3 of them to support, one to support in the middle, and then one on either end. This makes the ladder very sturdy. It's completely locked to the piece of wood now, and so no matter how it rocks or whatever, as you're sawing, your saw cut is going to be straight. So this is my solution for my cheap rail system for sawmilling. So well attached that you can pick the log up with the ladder. So with this setup, you don't really have to worry about hitting nails or screws or anything from your boards that you've mounted on the ends. Just set your saw to a 5-inch depth, and that should give you 3/4 of an inch of clearance from any of the bolts that you've sunk in 3 places on the log. All right guys, I hope you found this helpful. Hope you can use this to help you improve your sawmilling. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel to help support the channel. All right guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching.